NAICS codes, what they are plus how to find yours. Small business owners have a number of balls to juggle, but there is one resource that can easily be employed that will benefit your business in a number of ways: having a NAICS code. The process of acquiring a NAICS code is simple and straightforward and can qualify a business for government contracts as well as fuel sales, marketing initiatives, and much more. What are NAICS codes? NAICS, North American Industry Classification System, is a coding system used to categorize businesses by industry. This 6-digit business NAICS code category was created by the federal government of North America. The collaboration involved the United States, Canada, and Mexico and was initiated in 1997 with changes and updates made to the categorization system every 5 years. The last update was made in 2017. The classification system largely replaced the older Standard Industrial Classification, SIC, established in 1937. One reason for the introduction of NAICS was to accommodate new industries and economic forms of output that were not around prior to the 1980s. Another reason for NAICS was to widen the economic picture and statistic and data gathering web to cover all of North America, especially in response to the introduction of NAFTA, North American Free Trade Agreement. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. How do I find my NAICS code? To find the right NAICS code to align with your business, go to the U.S. Census Bureau website. Use the search bar on the top of the screen and type in NAICS code. This will bring you to the proper page where you can start your code search. Type in the keyword associated with your business. Examples: food, construction, advertising, publishing, transportation, etc. There will be 3 text boxes on the page that will refine your search. They go from general industry to more specific business sectors. Consider this example. If you were a health food business that primarily packaged and sold salads, you would likely start your search using the keyword food or health food. Does your business need a NAICS code? Unless you're a government contractor, you are not required to have a NAICS code. We'll get to government contractors a little later. However, assuming that your business, whether a limited liability company, LLC, or other for-profit entity, does not bid on government contracts and that your company focuses on the private sector, there are a number of other advantages in acquiring your NAICS code. So although need may be a strong word, having a NAICS code for your business would be a good, if not great, move. Let's take a closer look by breaking this down and exploring a few key reasons for having a NAICS code assigned to your company. The benefits of having a NAICS code. 1. Federal contracts. The first benefit is more aligned with vendors seeking out government contracts. In order to participate in government projects, you'll need a NAICS code. There's really no way around it if you want the work from the federal government. In fact, having a business NAICS code category is the only way to get in the door, bid for projects, and get awarded contracts. This can cover a wide range of companies, including construction, engineering, and tech industries. Having a NAICS code also allows the government to classify your business and identify your industry, sector, and primary outputs by collecting relevant business statistics. 2. Grants and incentive programs. Having a NAICS will also open the door when it comes to incentive programs, including grants. Make sure to take a look at your state's government website and you'll find lists of programs with an explanation detailing the incentives. 3. Tax credits and exemptions. Depending on your business, you have the opportunity to apply for credits and exemptions that align with your industry. This can include deductions covering farming and agriculture, manufacturing, employee training and retention, and research and development, just to mention a few. An online search of your state's Department of Taxation and Finance is a great way to begin the search and confirm eligibility. 4. Loan approval. Having access to money is critical when running a small business. Whether it's buying new equipment, making upgrades, or expanding a product line, small business owners will need an infusion of cash to meet their needs. Many banks and commercial lenders use NAICS codes when it comes to small business loan consideration and approval. Note: before taking out a loan or using a credit card, please confirm. When it comes to riba, it is considered haram in Islamic law. For Muslims, please see additional options for debit cards or other cards, as well as the proper procedure for obtaining a business loan. 5. Marketing and research. Many companies use NAICS codes to classify their vendors, partners, and customers by industry. This allows a business to have a better understanding of its industry and compile data and statistics that can gauge the market, target potential clients, and keep up with trends. This research is not limited to targeting customers and opportunities, but can also be utilized to monitor the competition. Using NAICS to grow your business. The key benefit many businesses utilize with the NAICS codes comes down to marketing initiatives. For example, if you are a service-based industry, your NAICS code can help you target specific industries and the ideal customer and also identify potential new markets and opportunities. The NAICS code can also help when it comes to competitive research by learning more about other companies in your sector. As a business owner looking for ways to find the ideal customers for your product or service, you can use NAICS codes to collect data and initiate a targeted marketing campaign. NAICS data can help identify the ideal customer by location, geography, business size, number of employees, annual sales, and other defining characteristics and data points that will help fine-tune your search. The same data collection method used to find partners, vendors, and customers can also be used to study the competition and gauge the trends and direction of your sector. Key differences between NAICS and SIC classification systems. Both NAICS and SIC codes are still used by the U.S. government to classify businesses for the main purposes of compiling, analyzing, and releasing statistical data related to the U.S. business economy. Though NAICS is the more prominent of the two systems, SIC codes are still used today, but have not been updated for nearly 40 years and do not incorporate categorizations for new businesses and industries. As a result, new companies focused on artificial intelligence, AI, information technology, computer software, cloud and data storage services, etc., are not represented in this older system that was developed to cover more traditional manufacturing-based industries as opposed to service-based companies. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching. You've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below.